Have you ever seen a plant that looks like it's straight from a rainforest? That's the Monstera Deliciosa. It's more than just a pretty face. Growing Monstera Deliciosa adds beauty and benefits to your home. This tropical plant is known for its large, unique leaves. It's easy to care for and grows quickly. First, let's talk about its air purifying qualities. This plant cleans the air in your home. It removes toxins and improves overall air quality. Next, monsteras are low maintenance. They thrive in various lighting. Whether bright or indirect light, they adapt well. Just water when the soil is dry. Now, let's discuss their growth rate. Monstera Deliciosa can grow several feet tall. They are perfect for indoor gardens. These plants can also become beautiful centerpieces in any room. Also, consider their aesthetic appeal. The dramatic leaves create stunning visuals. They inspire relaxation and a sense of nature indoors. To summarize, growing Monstera Deliciosa is rewarding. They purify air, are low maintenance, grow fast, and look amazing. Are you ready to enhance your space with a Monstera? Visit your local nursery today and bring home this stunning plant.